Clear to the Yankee Victor Romeo Airport, Paine 6 departure as file climb. Maintain 2000, Seattle departure control frequency is 128.5. Squawk 672, that's for Skylane 1068 Charlie.
Skylane 68 Charlie, be back correct. Device ground and tower owners contact your I-4.
68 Charlie will call. Paine ground Skylane 1068 Charlie at Castle and Cook. Everett taxi with Sierra.
Skylane 1068 Charlie, Paine ground, runway 16 right at 4, taxi via Alpha, correction via Bravo Alpha.
Runway 16 right, short and Alpha 4 taxi via Bravo Alpha, Skylane 1068 Charlie.
Horizon 2061, exiting Alpha 6 for the ramp.
Horizon 2061, Paine ground, taxi to terminal ramp via Alpha Juliet Charlie 1.
Alpha Juliet Charlie 1, Horizon 2061.
Trim tested, elevator trim set to take off. All red cross on the PFD, standby instrument is checking set to 991 on the altimeter. Fuel is reset, fuel selector on both, autopilot. And one more. Oil temperature in the green. Fuel pump is all mixture for turbo 1800 RPM. Magneto check to the left, back to both, right, to both for the cycle, emitter 28 volt and charging, now set to normal, throttle idle, smooth back to 1000, friction set light as required, radio 128.5 set, autopilot is off. Transponder 672 being 12 volt. Switch off, door window close. Detail he has required parking brake off or ready to go. Paine Tower Skylane 1068 Charlie holding short only 16 right at Alpha 4 ready for IFR release.
Cessna 1068 Charlie, Paine Tower, runway 16 right at Alpha 4, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 16 right, short and Alpha 4, cleared for takeoff, Skylane 1068 Charlie.
Wind 14013, gust 19er. Skylane 68 Charlie, contact departure, good day.
The departure 68 Charlie on base is at 1300.
Yeah, 68 Charlie, thank you.
Good morning, Seattle departure, Skylane 1068 Charlie 1500 climbing 2000, Paine 6.
November 1068 Charlie, Seattle departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 4000.
Climb maintain 4000, 68 Charlie.